Welcome to my brand new training video. I am super excited to share this with you because I am going to share a powerful traffic source. A traffic source that could potentially change your life permanently. This is a traffic source that is so top notch, so high quality that it's going to blow your mind, and it's in the beginner stage, which means if you jump on this traffic source right now and start getting visitors, most likely you're going to get conversions. And check this out, one of my friends' results, okay? One of my friends' results, $1,972.23 in commissions overnight at approximately 2:30 a.m. okay? Now, this guy has been using different type of traffic sources, okay? One of the traffic source bought this type of results for him overnight. What do I mean by this? Why am I sharing this? Traffic is the king in this business. If you don't get traffic, doesn't matter how beautiful website you have, doesn't matter how beautiful affiliate links and affiliate website you have, you're not going to make money. You need to get traffic. Traffic is a must. Learn how to get traffic. So I am going to share one of the traffic networks in this video that could potentially change your life. And this is a unique traffic network. And I'm going to share why this is a unique traffic network, why this can change your life, why this can make you multiple 4-5 figures a month, and why this is an easy path to get to 10k, 20k, and even 30k in commissions, okay? Like I said, this result comes from one of my friends who used a traffic source, okay? He's using multiple traffic sources. He used one of the traffic source, and that traffic source bought this result for him, all right? So if you know how to get traffic, you can make money like this as well. So I'm going to share one of the traffic networks that top-notch gurus are jumping onto it and using this traffic network, okay? If you can get traffic, trust me, you have solved your money-making problems, okay? You could print your own paychecks. Now, I'm going to have the link for this traffic network in my description box below this video. I'm also going to pin that link in my comment box, okay? And by the way, if you don't know, I am helping people reach 4-5 figures quick as possible. So if you have any kind of questions, just leave a comment. I'm here to help you. I'm going to reply to your questions, any question you may have. And if you want me to cover anything in my videos, I'm more than happy to create videos related to that topic. So just leave a comment. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So let's dive into this video. Traffic. A lot of people are jumping from one traffic to another traffic. They're not getting conversion. They're not getting sale. What about if I share a traffic network that is top notch, where you can actually block those visitors, those traffic providers that's not bringing you conversions? You could actually track with traffic which visitor is converting and which is not converting. And the traffic network is this one here, all right? I'm going to put the link in my description box below this video. First of all, what you need to do is when you come here, you need to add some funds, okay? Without adding funds, this is not going to work for you, all right? And once you have added funds, what you need to do, you just need to go to add new campaign, okay? You just need to name your campaign, so you can put anything like affiliate, Clickbank, make money online, etc. And then down here, you're going to put your URL, okay? Now, this is going to be your landing page URL. Very, very important, okay? Landing page URL, okay? Because you're going to build a list, all right? The money's in the list. And then look at this. You could have these tracking IDs, click ID, campaign ID, provider ID, placement ID. You want to place all this, and it tells you where the traffic is coming from, who's sending you the traffic, and whenever you make a sale, it'll also tell you who actually got you that sale. Now you can see in the Make Money Online niche, you can see there's 17,542 clicks available per day at a cost of 13 cents to $1.34 US, okay, based on the targeting. But we're gonna narrow this down, all right? So if you scroll down, okay, look at this. Allowed traffic, okay? So we're looking into make money online. If you're into weight loss, a lot of people have been asking me this question. Do you have any weight loss traffic providers? There you go. You could also promote weight loss offers. You could also promote health related offers. I'm more interested in to make money online. And then traffic providers. Check this out. You could select which traffic guy you want. Now the people are down here are those people, most, okay, not all, but most of are those people who are actually earning some good amount of money from the internet, okay? And they know all about traffic. They know how to get traffic. They know how to send visitors. So you could, so first of all, once you add your landing page URL down here with your IDs, okay? And if you just leave this as it is, keep empty for all providers, okay? In that case, you're going to get traffic from everyone. When you make a sale, you will able to see who got you that sale. Next time when you buy traffic, you could just select that same person who got you the sale. So for instance, in this case, if it was George Ball who got you the sale, then you just want to select George Ball, okay? When you select George Ball, that means that traffic is only going to come from this person, okay? So this is how you narrow it down and get highly quality traffic, targeted traffic. And this is how you scale your business and take your business to the next level. All right. So in the beginning, you might want to select all. You just want to see who's going to get you the best traffic, who's getting you the best lead conversion, sale conversion. And then once you have that info on who's getting you the conversion and those sales, then next time when you buy traffic again, you just want to select that one person or 2-3 people if it's 2-3 to get traffic. Now when you do that, it's going to narrow down. So look at this. It's gone from 17,000 clicks to 5,315 clicks per day available. Why does it say per day? Like I said, these are some top-notch people, all right? If I come here, keep countries empty, you could select the country as well. International tier 1 countries, or you could just select one country. Now, if I select tier 1 countries, it's going to narrow it more down. You could see these are all the tier 1 countries. Now, basically, tier 1 country in this network is quite huge. Because normally tier 1 country is United States, UK, Canada, Australia, alright, and New Zealand. In this country, down here, it's like Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and it goes on, my friend. It's a big list of tier 1 traffic. You might just want to select, let's just see if I want to just, okay, if I just go here, alright, it's just going to keep on adding. So we just want to get rid of all of this, okay? And then you just want to select the tier 1 traffic networks, which is UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. According to, if you want huge amounts of sales and conversions, the best country, in my opinion, is United States. United States has a lot of buyers and a lot of buyer traffic, okay? So you just want to select United States. So if I scroll right to the bottom, okay, let's see, where's United States of America? There you go. And 4,653 clicks available. All right. Device type. Okay. Very, very important to understand. Okay. If your offer is mobile friendly, then just leave it as it is. If it's not, just select desktop. Okay. Leave everything as it is. Traffic tags. Okay. And then you could come here and block traffic. Okay. So just say when you came here, you selected, left this empty, so you're going to get traffic from all these people. All right, you saw that 5 of these people got you good traffic, the other people was getting you completely garbage traffic, server traffic. Then you could come here and block them. So next time when you buy traffic from this provider, you could select leave it empty, but at the same time you could add a couple of these people into the blacklist. Okay, and doing that will not get you traffic from that person. Can you see how this can narrow down and get you very, very high quality targeted traffic? This is very, very powerful, okay? Very, very powerful. So just say I wanted to block one of these persons. I'm just going to come here, just say I want to block this guy here, okay? If I block this guy, now if I just come here, allow traffic, and I leave this empty, I'm going to get traffic from every single person except this person here. This person can't send me any traffic because I have blacklisted him, okay? Why did I do that? Because according to my tracking, I found out he's sending me low quality traffic, okay? And I scroll down, then you want to select your CPC video, your maximum cost per click, empty for all traffic at any price. Okay, I highly recommend you start off with 30 cents per click and just see how it goes, okay? You don't want to go too much, and if you're saying that you're not getting enough traffic as you have selected, then in that case you might just want to increase your budget, okay? So you could see, you could select the cost per click as well. And you know what's the secret to making multiple 4, 5, 6 figures? Is repeatedly focusing on buying quality traffic and building that list and taking your business to the next level. So you bought traffic, then you want to analyze, okay? What was your conversion? How many opt-in did you get, okay? Did you make any money after the email sequences took place? After that, you want to see how much money did you make. So how much did you spend? How much did you make? You want to track who bought you that money, who bought you that sale, which traffic wasn't good. You want to do all that, then buy traffic again and narrow it down. And you're going to keep on doing this until you're going to find a winner. And then you're going to keep on focusing on building that list to make money, alright? Total budget, stop card right here. You could just put anything down here. Daily budget, you could put something like $10 a day, so you know that this is smooth. You could accelerate it, just leave it smooth. Daily budget, smoothly distributed, so you could actually track to see what's going on, alright? This is in the beginning. Then once you know what you're doing, you know where to get the traffic from, you have that person who's sending you very quality traffic, then you could change that to $100 a day as well, alright? Total budget, you just want to start off with $300. With $10, this is going to take about 30 days, okay, to actually finish campaign, alright, and then you just click on save campaign, okay, activates right now, pause, active campaign, okay, and this is how you do it, okay, so this is how powerful this traffic network is. I'm going to have the link in my description box below this video, go check it out. It's going to be pinned in my comment box as well. Go there, start buying traffic. And if you have any kind of questions related to traffic, make money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, or anything else, okay, just leave a comment for me. If you want to ask me secret questions, for instance, hey, how are you making money right now? How are you making over 4, 5, 6 figures a month online? What are you doing? Give me the system that you're using to make thousands of dollars a month online. You could also ask me these type of questions as well, and I will be more than happy to answer those questions, okay? I am more than happy to share my business with you. I'm more than happy to share what I am promoting, what products I'm promoting, what systems I'm promoting, how I am making money online so you can succeed, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment for me.